thank you so much for purchasing a Lumispa off me. I am really excited about you having this and the results you're going to have. So a couple of things. Make certain you take your before photo. So I really want you to do this. Sometimes the changes can be very dramatic, very quickly. Sometimes they're very gradual, and you won't recognize it when you're seeing yourself in the mirror every single day. So take a great before photo. We just need your face even light. So don't have light coming from one side or anything like that. I would suggest take one without your makeup and maybe one with your makeup, and then flick those to me and I'll just check them for you. Now, you've got your Lumi. First thing you're going to do is pop it on charge. So you'll have got a cord, pop it in the charging base. What actually happens is when it is on charge, I'll just use that as an example, you'll see it won't spin, but you'll see the light go up and down. So I normally say to people charge it overnight, but you'll actually see the light stop. So first thing, pop it on charge. Now, how to use it. You get your Lumi, you've got your cleanser. So we've got 5 different cleansers. So if you find that you're not loving the one you've got, just change it onto a different one. And again, always feel free to talk to me about these things. So I'm going to take this off so you can see what I'm doing. Right, Lumi. Now what I normally do, either I have mine in the shower, so it's completely waterproof. But if you're not going to put it on in the shower, I'm not going to do it in the shower, I tend to just run it underneath the tap just for a second. I haven't got a tap here, so I'm just going to squirt it with some moisture mist just to make it wet. And then I would also squirt my face with it as well. So again, I just normally just go like that. Now you've got a couple of choices. It is really important to, one, use the Lumispa cleanser. Please don't go using another cleanser. This really isn't that expensive and it's so good. It's not just a cleanser, it's a treatment. That's the key thing. Remember, this is a treatment device, not just a cleansing device. So if you go and use it with somebody else's cleanser, you are not going to get the treatment part at all. So you're not going to get the anti-aging on your skin. You're not going to get the build-up, You're not going to get the collagen building, the elastin building. Now, the other reason it's really important to use our cleanser is it's about the viscosity. So we had 5 different cleansers before we launched the Lumi, and they still designed a specific cleanser. And the reason, which obviously hit all the other sales because everyone moved to a Lumi and stopped using the other stuff. So economic decision, bad. Very good business decision because the Lumi needs its own cleanser. Now the reason is it's about that viscosity. So if you've got a cleanser that's too thin, it's literally going to slide across your skin. Okay, you're not going to get any of the benefits. It's just going to slide across your skin. It won't get the time to, what it actually does on a micro basis is pick up and pump the pores. So it literally pumps the pores, which gives you plumping, but it also gives that real cleaning. Okay? If you use a cleanser that's too thick, it's going to get stuck. So it's not going to be cleaning properly, but more importantly, it's actually not, it's going to be slightly dragging the skin. You do not want either of those things. You also then don't want to skimp on using it. So when I'm using it, you look, there's an inner wheel there. I pretty much cover that inner wheel. So I do about that much when I'm using it. And then what I actually do, I'm just going to wet my face again because I've been talking. I then smear that across my skin. Now, some people just put it straight in their fingers and smear it. I do it this way. Personal preference. But you see, I've smeared that across my skin now. Normally I do both sides, but I'm only doing one. And down my neck. Now, the Lumi can be used anywhere. Obviously, officially, it's a facial cleansing device. I use it all the way down my chest. I know a lot of the girls use it on their hands because hands show aging. We've got some great hand results. So I'm going to switch it on. Notice I switch it on before I put it on my skin. And then what I generally do is start around here. And I normally activate my lymphs here, which is really good for lymphatic drainage. So I normally like it. Also feels amazing. So I'll quite often start with my neck. Now Lumi has a 30-second timer on it. So in 30 seconds you will feel it go and hear it. And that's telling you to move to the other side of your next part of your face. But you hear it? So now I'll move to a cheek. You can use it all the way up to the eyes. We do have an eye attachment, so if you are struggling with bags or dark circles, we actually have a specific attachment that goes on the Lumi. So you can get one of those and a specific eye cream. Usually, I'm always using that upward. Now, when you first use it, you might find that it's going to stop. I can't make mine stop at the moment, but sometimes it will stop, and the reason it's stopping is you're pressing too hard. There you go, stopped. Or you might find that it goes, and you can see actually my face has gone where I've tried to press it in. That was my 30 seconds as well, so time to go to this part. I catch my eyebrow, so I'm working that muscle to actually catch my eyebrow. Officially, you're not supposed to put it over the eye area. I do occasionally cheat and put it over my eye area, but officially you're not supposed to. Again, I would normally be doing the whole of my face at this time. When it's done, it's again, and then I would do the other side. So that would be me done. So I'll put the makeup on this side. Now, also beware, like I said, if you move it too fast, it will stop. Really common when people first get it, they move it too fast or they press it too hard. Don't do either of those. And obviously, if you use it on your lips, great for your lips. Okay. Even takes power lips off. Nothing moves power lips. I tend to do, if I am going to take my makeup off, I'll do that last because, yeah. And now you see that's all the makeup that's come off. All you need to do is shove that underneath the tap, wash it. I'd also suggest, I just need something to get it off. It's wet. You can just take it off and rub that. Do that bit as well because the stuff does get, you can see there's a little bit of water in there. It does get a bit grimy in there. And that's what you need. Now, if you're using a really heavy makeup, you might need something like a little toothbrush or something just to get the gunk off it. But that's about the makeup you're using, not about the Lumi. Oh, and I forgot to get myself something to wipe it with. Then I just wipe my face down. There you go. Again, ideally, I just splash water on it. I do tend to wipe it down. And my neck, like I said, I take mine all the way there. So I do the last 30 seconds, I do my neck and down. Sorry, first 30 seconds, I do my neck and down. Now, there's also the option with the Lumi, obviously to refer people on. So you're going to get people asking about your skin and what you're doing because it's going to look different. It's going to look more glowy, luminous, it'll look like younger, it can look lifted, and it can happen really quickly. That's why I want you to take that photo on the first day. If you are happy to be a sharer for me, and simply just say it's Lumispa, let me put you in contact with Anne, and then Facebook message us both together, give me their phone number, and I will do all the work. If they then buy a Lumi, I'll give you a thank you gift, and it's cash. So you get what's called a sharing bonus, but just think of it as a thank you because that's how my business grows. Now, once you've done the cleansing, really important, whether it's night or morning, is to tone. You can just splash it on your fingers and do it like that. Or you can put it on a little cotton bud. I forgot the cotton thing, so I'll just splash it on my fingers. Toning closes the pores. It also increases uptake of the next products. So it's really important to be toning. If you haven't got skincare or you're not particularly happy with your skincare, really happy to have a chat with you. This range is awesome and very, very affordable. You're going to serum. So if you're seruming, serum. My skin's going to be in heaven because I've already done this once today. It'll be going, yay, serum overload. And then day or night cream. So this one's a day cream. Let's just check. I don't think I've even, yes, I have opened it. This one's a day cream. There's also a night cream that comes with this range. Day cream or night cream, and I'm ready to go. It's that simple. So Lumi, you can use it in the shower, use it twice a day. So use it morning and night. Great thing to do if you're coming home from work is just Lumi your face the minute you get in, and then you just feel fab. And it also gives that point of work's over, now it's fun time. And I mean, again, you can see there's a difference. You will see a difference on your face. If you're brave, do half your face for a few days. Send me the photo, but don't worry, you don't have to. Okay, I hope that's clears up exactly what to do. If you've got any questions, just ask me. It does have a 2-year warranty, so if for any reason anything crazy happens, not you dropping it, anything crazy happens, it's on warranty, so we can just work that out. Okay, and when you're ready to get more cleanser, jump on the account you've got. Simple and easy, or just get hold of me, whichever. Enjoy your Lumi. Bye.